Hi, welcome to my globalization. Come with me about what am I doing before going into school. First thing in the morning, I'm drinking coffee. Did you know that Nescafe and Coffee Mate contribute to the globalization of coffee by sourcing beans, sustainably enhancing coffee experience, and adapting to evolving consumer needs? They're integral player in our daily coffee rituals, connecting us to coffee growing communities worldwide. And after getting my coffee, I'll try to catch up to my favorite vlogger in YouTube. And YouTube is not just an entertainment platform, it is a global community that profoundly impacts culture, economy, and society. And also, after watching YouTube, I will also try to catch up my favorite anime, serve as a cultural bridge, fostering global communication, economic growth, and artistic innovation. Its impact on pop culture, technology, and shared experience make it powerful force in our interconnected world. And after watching anime, I will play Genshin Impact. This game's success exemplifies how a Chinese game can transcend borders, create a global communities, and impact both the gaming industry and cultural norms. And here, free check. I also wear a Hollister shirt from the America, a Shein pants from China, and Air Jordan from also in America. And if I will go to school, I will ride Jeep. Jeepney represents both progress and heritage. They connect us to the past while navigating the future as we weave together modernization and tradition. Let's ensure that the vibrant colors of our culture fabric remains intact even as embrace change. As we sip our morning coffee, immerse in anime and ride jeepneys, we become part of global tapestry from Nescafe to Genshin Impact. Our daily rituals